That last bad idea.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Shitcoin Talk, episode 93. I'm dumb, and I have special guests here with me. Well, I mean, yeah, okay, yeah, they're special. They're special to me. We have Bitcoin Bella. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, tell us about yourself in case people don't know.
Oh, okay. So I'm Bella. I found crypto Twitter in 2017 um, because I was looking up like cash tags for altcoins. And I just started tweeting a bunch of shit, the same shit that I'm still tweeting now, which is like dog memes and just fun stuff and commentating on like the markets and learning about the markets and following you guys the whole time and just having a lot of fun. So I'm still here.
Yay.
And yeah, I love it. Can't leave. I'm addicted.
Excellent.
Addicted to crypto Twitter.
Good.
Yeah.
It's good to have you, Bella.
Thank you.
And then we have Ambroid. He's showing cool charts. Hi, Ambroid.
Yeah, I'm just scrolling through FTX. It's like passive activity. Like when I listen to people, I just go through charts often. It's just professional deformation by now, I guess. Yeah, I'm Android. Why the fuck do I need to introduce myself, dude? I'm on the show like every single time for the past 4 years or something. Holy shit!
Tell me something.
Shut up and like it.
Tell me something nice about yourself. What is your favorite color?
Pink.
Oh wow. Okay, I didn't expect that. That's really nice, dude.
He's secure in his masculinity.
Yeah.
No, I actually, when I was at the university, and I studied chemical engineering, right? So I specialized in
Nerd.
coordination chemistry, and I would synthesize a lot of coordination compounds, and especially with cobalt, and they are usually pink or burgundy or reddish. So I just had a shitload of pink crystals everywhere on the shelves. So ever since I kind of got used to pink and I like it,
You
and
don't
I
do,
always
you
have
don't
a
do chemistry anymore?
brush if I can.
You don't do chemistry anymore?
As you can see, I don't know.
Okay.
So what you're saying is you manifested your wealth with these crystals?
Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
That's a throwback, dude.
The joke is that it would have been the opposite because I originally did want to go for the academic route and a PhD, but the pay would be 5,000 euro per year.
Whoa.
Like
Wait, what?
salary for a PhD student in Slovakia in chemistry. So yeah, I just realized I couldn't afford it.
Crypto pays better.
Sometimes.
Yeah, so if you don't lose all
Sometimes
your
not.
money. All right, fair enough. SoCal,
Hey, what's up?
you're trying on a new microphone today. Can you sing a
Yeah.
song for us so we can make sure it works?
No,
Come on.
that's not gonna happen.
Come on.
But I will say that it always amuses me how closely related Jacob and I are. Out of everybody on the show, me and him are the closest related. But anyway,
How?
because my family comes from the Czech Republic, which
Yeah.
used to be part of Slovakia or
Whoa.
whatever. They used to be together in in Czechoslovakia. But anyway, let's not get into politics. I don't care. So anyway, Bella is one of the few people from CT that I've met, along with yourself, Dom. We've actually met in where was it, Bella? LA and Chicago.
Yeah, we've had some fun times. I will have to say that SoCal's really generous and he's really fun and he likes
Oh.
to drink.
That's a
My
lie.
man.
That's a lie.
What, the generous
Anyway.
part?
Yes, all of it. all of it, and all of the above, just all of it. But anyway, no, Bella's great.
Great.
So I think today's going to be a great show, man.
Perfect, man. Decentralized gave us $100 and said we were late as fuck. I mean, we're fired. So,
Well,
thank
that
you,
happens.
Thank you.
Decentralized, dude. Late, fired. Okay, I appreciate that, man.
Well, I guess time to end the stream then,
Yeah.
and just pack it in.
I mean, dude's not used to our usual standard. I mean,
Yeah.
like we've been on point for the past few months, dude.
Yeah, someone said that your salary is less than a Uniswap airdrop. So I think
Yes.
I mean,
Currently.
what salary for 4 years we've been paid nothing. So, what salary?
yeah.
Wait, Uniswap airdrop is like 10,000 USD right now or something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, which is why the commenter said that my salary would have been less than that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All you had to do
You
is
know,
push a
every
few
time
buttons and make a yearly salary, basically.
Somebody brings it up every day, and I sold it at like 4,000. So thanks for
I
making
mean, so
it
did I.
back.
But, what did you do with the profits afterwards? Right, that's the question. Like, do you actually count like where you put the money? Because if you put it in Bitcoin, then it would have been just as well off, right?
Yeah, I give it to charity. Sam's charity. No, yeah. I mean, if you held it in Ethereum or Bitcoin or in Uniswap, I mean, you're pretty good all around. I hope so. But yeah,
True, free money.
yeah,
Can't
free money,
complain.
right? Yay.
I mean, you got it in the first place, right? Not everyone did.
Yeah,
So
some people didn't get it.
Yeah, the gains are like so good here that if you miss out on something, you just get really greedy. But it's like, how much money have you made, and how much can you make? And it's
yes,
unlimited.
that's 2017 all over again, isn't it? Like, oh my god, I missed out on 100x, and then you realize that you did whatever x on something else, but you are still feeling that regret of missing out on that other thing, right? So it's just chasing these hormones over and over, and so many people will get fucked when this is over and they just keep chasing it.
I think that's a big question. Like, people want to know, is it going to be 2018 again, or is this going to be the bottom, and it's just going to keep going up?
Up only. Forever.
It's not gonna keep only going up. Come on. Like, who? If someone even has to ask that, then they
Then don't
need
be
a
on the show.
lobotomy.
Yeah. I mean,
So
No.
chat is melting down with Bella simps. I
Yeah,
just
of
want to
course,
point
dude.
that out.
Oh, really? How do you
Yeah.
get to chat? Do I have to go on YouTube to look?
yeah,
on?
the troll box.
Yeah, you gotta go. Yeah, you gotta go on YouTube.
Did any of you guys get? Someone asked, did you guys get the 1-inch airdrops? Did you guys get those? I don't even think you had to be on 1-inch to get them. I thought you could be anywhere. Or
I got part of the second one because I don't know how they figured it. The other people I've talked to all received like different amounts. So I don't know how they figured how much you got, but I received an amount of the second one. So
nice.
I don't know how. Yeah. So
Money over
I've
here.
never
money
used
over
one
there.
inch.
exactly, I can't bitch about free money. I really can't. But whatever. So I
Yeah,
got some.
I've never used 1 inch. I don't like it. So yeah, I didn't get any.
I don't think you had to have used it, right? You just had to
Yeah,
have
not-
held it somewhere.
As
No,
far as
no,
I know, you would have you had to have some kind of activity with.
I
No,
remember
no,
it's like
no,
20
no.
bucks worth of trades or something like that. I don't know.
No. Their second airdrop was anybody who made a certain amount of trades, like 3 or 5 trades within the past 90 days on Uniswap, got the second 1-inch airdrop.
Okay.
So if you've never used it, that does not disqualify you. You just have had to have been semi-active on Uniswap within the past like 90 days or so.
How do you feel about 1 inch? Good.
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 No, I'll check
good.
this after the show. So
Yeah.
So
Apparently, I got some
yeah,
stuff.
go check yours after the show, bud. You probably got
Okay.
something.
Oh,
Maybe
someone
it
in the
grew.
chat says, I don't know how accurate these all is. People are saying different things, but 20 active trading days and 3 trading days in 2021.
Okay, something like that. But
Yeah,
I
Something
okay.
like
mean,
that.
So I've got some for sure
I,
then.
I know that Android at the very least would have the qualifications
Yeah,
for it.
absolutely.
If I got it, Android definitely got it.
Yeah, I just never looked into it because I just don't give a shit about 1inch. Because I know them back from like very, very early 2020. They are these two Russian dudes, and I've got like inherent bias against Russians, but that's besides the
God damn it.
point.
Okay, go on.
That's experience talking, dude. But yeah, I digress.
I love Russians,
Um,
by the way.
Yeah.
they're
Well, why
horrible,
is
dude. Uh,
Yeah.
anyways, yeah. So they were looking for investments like equity type of investments, like very early 2020, and a VC that I'm friendly with, they were about to make a major investment, like as a leading partner of sorts. And then all of this DeFi craze started in the spring, and they got very, very, very greedy, and they basically told this potential investor that's like, if you know VC type investing, you like talk back and forth, you advise them on how they should be doing X and Y. Like they've really made major improvements to 1inch through this kind of discussion, and they just got nothing for it because they were told to fuck off, because they could raise from Western VCs suddenly at 10x devaluation out of nowhere, where before nobody gave a shit because they are Russians, right? So um, yeah, uh, the founders. I'm just not down with this kind of um, behavior. So yeah, uh, I don't know any Uniswap background, so I use it. But I do know this kind of 1inch background, and it kind of pisses me off. So yeah, I'll just choose not to use them. That's why we've got this kind of free market where I can choose which product I use based on my preference. And in this case, 1inch can fuck off. Yeah.
Wow.
So what are all the DeFi exchanges right now? Because I only ever used Uniswap, and now I know about 1inch.
So matcha is pretty convenient.
Matcha Mooney swap, I guess.
Yeah,
You can look
Moonswap. I
on.
mean, are you asking only about Ethereum or also other chains? Because that just expands the question way, way out.
Well, what? There's other chains?
My man.
My man.
I mean,
No, I
yeah.
mean,
There's.
yeah, like the Binance.
Are we? Yeah, I was gonna say, are we gonna talk about BSC, or are we just gonna pretend that's not happening?
I mean, we can talk about it, but it's fucking insane, and I don't know how much it's got to do with the Chinese New Year holidays. Like whether they
Okay.
are going absolutely fucking bonkers on this centralized thingamabob, right?
Yeah, I love that the exchange went down and then the price just shot up like crazy.
Yeah, I mean, we can take a look at a bunch of these for
Sure.
sure.
Well, let's look at some coins here.
And
God damn it.
apparently, Cake Swap went insane too.
Yeah, let's look at the
Oh, and
oldest one, right?
someone mentioned
Oh my
donut.
fucking god, dude! I regret selling this so much.
Yeah, everything started
God.
going nuts on BSC, huh?
Holy
Who mentioned
fuck.
Donut Coin? Because I have that.
What, you have donut?
Oh no!
You have donut?
Yes.
Pull it
I
up!
should have sold it when Miss Natoshi was talking about it because it pumped at that time. And
No,
now I'm still
No,
holding it.
how do you feel about donut today? Good.
I bought all the food coins because I'm a fucking idiot.
I did not expect that thing to ever go back up. Like that.
Everything's a food coin on Binance, by the way. Like, I don't know if you know that, but everything's a food. If
They
it's
have
not a
ketchup.
food, it's not cool.
Why did?
Ketchup's dead. Ketchup's dead.
Okay, but that's not even a food. It's just a condiment. Like, they should make like glass of water or like Coca-Cola or
Pancake
something.
swap. Yeah, pancake swap.
When you say Binance, are you talking about the Binance, like their decentralized exchange, or
I'm talking
just
about
regular Binance?
No, I'm talking about. So there is Binance. There is Binance Dex. Nobody gives a shit about Binance Dex, right? That's just not important. And the Binance DeFi is happening on BSC. That's Binance Smart Chain, and
Yes,
it's
they have the.
BSC 20 standard. That's all these tokens are BSC 20. So everything's happening on Burger Swap and Pancake Swap and all these other food-based. I mean, everything's food-based. I don't know why, but
It's because we can finally afford
my
to
guess,
eat, dude. That's why
no,
everyone's
my
excited.
guess is that they are trying to attract American traders,
Because
like
we're
these
fat
Chinese
and
racist.
stupid.
Yeah, like Chinese racist developers are trying to attract Americans by making everything food-based. That's
Pancake,
my
I'm hungry.
all
I
that-
love
I
breakfast.
want all the ham.
Yeah, breakfast. Ooh, yum yum. I only weigh 400 pounds today.
It's like Gainsey's
Actually,
Abby's
you know
that he
what?
uses.
Yeah.
The I just thought about it, and the American reputation for being fat and shows like my 600-pound life and stuff, dude. That's like the perfect propaganda to make the Chinese totally unprepared to get their asses kicked when they invade. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Yeah,
Jesus,
no,
calm down.
yeah, we shouldn't even go there. I mean,
Yeah.
Yeah, a little weird. Okay, dude.
yeah,
What about pancake swap? What about burger swap? What's good? What's the going on, dude?
yeah, I'll just say one thing: America is just uninvadable, just because. No, I mean you've got the biggest fleet in the world, and you've got these two giant borders. One is called Pacific Ocean, and the other one is called Atlantic Ocean. So the fleet can just fuck up anything that tries to go to America. That's just how it works.
I haven't used any of them.
People in the chat are just like, BSC just makes me hungry. I'm American. I like food. Makes sense. Good job, Binance. You did it. You've done it again.
That's all they had to do was make a bunch of food coins. That was it, huh? That was the key the whole time.
Like, this shit. Yeah. So let's just go from the start of the year, right? Whatever. So this is.
I haven't even. Here's the thing, though, is I haven't even heard of any of these things like before
I talked about Burger
we talked
Swap
about
on
them already.
Shitcoin Talk ages ago, dude.
Oh, that's the one. No. I meant the BSC chain, though. Like, I haven't paid any attention to that. I didn't even know they were on there.
I talked about it multiple times.
Aren't you sick of paying for high Ethereum gas prices?
No, I'm not.
Switch
I
over to
love
Binance
paying-
Smart Chain today.
I'm not. I love paying for Ethereum fees because I get it all back.
Don't you love pancake breakfast?
I actually figured it out because I actually have made more from mining Ethereum than I've paid in Ethereum fees. So I actually have made it back.
Yeah,
But
crypto. Sorry,
Go
crypto
ahead.
Christopher
Go
Walken talked about how he made like $10,000 to $20,000 off of just mining Ethereum.
Oh,
I
I'm
don't know
sure
if
if
it
you
was
were if
Ethereum
you
or
were
Ethereum
if you were mining
coins.
Ethereum for the past year and you were mining it even when it was down at $200 and you're just kind of stacking it up, I mean, yeah, I would definitely believe that.
Look, I didn't make that much off of it, all right, but I did make more than I have paid in Ethereum fees.
Yeah, so I've got a buddy in Norway, right? And he's the kind of guy you talked about them. Like, he's been mining Ethereum for the past, I don't know, 2-3 years. Just, mining it, just leaving it alone, mining it. um, and he's had like very cheap electricity because Norway, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, so now he got shafted like a week ago. He just got obliterated, and he's gonna have to stop mining because there's this new cable running between Norway and Germany, and Germany's just sucking out all the electricity. And now his electricity costs have 10x,
Oh,
What?
brutal, dude. Is this
10x
like a,
on
a hobby
electricity
miner, or is
costs.
this like a farm kind of?
Uh,
Pretty big, I guess, if
it's
he's.
not a small operation. Yeah,
Yeah.
he can run it by himself while he has a full time job. But yeah, it's not a small operation by any means. I mean, I don't know the exact numbers, but I would wager 1,000 GPUs. So
Oh.
yeah, so he just yeah, he got obliterated. I just told him shut it off, shut everything off. You're not gonna be able to pay for this because now he has to pay like 20 cents.
Oh yeah, dude. That's
For
ridiculous.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah, that's
he's just a goner, dude, and it's never gonna go down because Germany's just gonna suck out all of it.
People
Yeah.
are mentioning Ubic in the chat. UBQ.
Um, sure.
Isn't that an old coin?
Ubic has some cool things
Yeah,
going
dude.
on.
Um,
What
Bucks. Is that the old name?
yeah, yep.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, jump bucks.
Jump Bucks. Does
Yeah.
anyone know that it was Jump Bucks before it was Ubic?
JBS.
I
Because
did.
wasn't it Jeebus coin or something first, and then they changed it to jump bucks. He's everywhere. Wow. It's
Yeah.
pumping off of the lows.
Well, all right.
That's a cute
I-
way to call this.
Yeah, I was gonna say you could say that. That's something you could say. I'm not gonna say you're right, but you could say it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So uh, this is like the area of the swap from Jump Bucks to Ubic.
Yeah, they did a 10-1 or something like that, or 1-10, I think.
Yeah. So
A
it
bit
was
pumped.
very profitable, for sure. But ever since,
Keep going,
uh,
keep going.
yeah, you would have just been better off.
I mean, there's
yeah.
something that I think that the reason why it's going up. I mean, because Ethereum is so expensive. Like a lot of these other chains are gonna like start stealing some of the.
You're calling this going up?
I didn't say that. Someone else did. Not me. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
but-
going. What is it up from the? Oh, it's like it's about 2 tons from the very very bottom, which is I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, like this is nice, right? This is like
Yeah, that's nice.
so I'm being harsh because I'm charting this against Bitcoin, but this is nice. This is a double bottom. It broke out, and it's sitting in this giant zone that it's been sitting in
For the last
for,
year and a half.
yeah, if we ignore this, then it was like a year. So yeah, it's back in there. If it breaks out, it can run again. If we look at USD, and it's much more exciting, right? So
Wow.
yeah, in my eyes, this is showing like innate strength, and it could keep running. But again, it just hit a major resistance over here. So this is gonna be like the November drop. Yeah. So this was November 2018, where everything just died together with Bitcoin. So if Ubic makes it through this over here,
Yeah.
like closes above it, then I'm excited, right?
Yeah, that
Then
seems
you're gonna log
reasonable.
on to Bittrex for the first time in 2 years, and then you're gonna buy.
And they'll just stop me from logging in, and they'll ask for further
Passports.
identification. And
Electricity
just forget
bills.
about Ubic again. Yeah.
Speaking of Bittrex coins, Decred is making all-time highs recently. But anyway,
Ah,
Yeah,
yes.
but Decred outgrew Bittrex.
Wow.
Time to put your
Unlike
Decred jackets back on.
Yeah, dude, fuck. I forgot I
Yeah.
had that thing. Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, it's so glorious.
I mean, this is exciting.
Yeah, that
I have a
that is a
Decred
number go up. Oh fuck yeah,
keychain.
dude.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, collectibles.
Put
Dude,
this-
that thing it literally just like decided it
Yeah.
just wanted to go up and has not stopped.
It just said teleport.
Well, like also I think
that's-
Decred is
No,
like
no. This is 3-day chart.
Oh, that's a 3-day chart. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I think-
sorry to get you too excited.
well, it's still exciting.
Yeah.
I think.
It's still impressive.
I think
but,
Decred
I
is
mean,
overlooked by
on
a lot of
3-day
people,
chart,
and
yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
not-
it is. It is. But yeah,
It's funny because it has
actually.
actually like good fundamentals, right?
Yeah.
Does
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, really good.
Like, talk to me about the fundamentals, please. I'm curious because
I mean, I don't really know, but all I know is that when I first met Coin Artist, she told me that she like was working on it or something like that a long time ago. And then like the reason why I think it's like, man, now you're gonna expose my ignorance. Voting or something like that? I don't know. You tell me about
Their
it.
governance. Their governance. Model.
Governance. Yeah.
Governance.
It's like better than Bitcoin or something like that.
Yeah, because Bitcoin has none. So.
Oh, okay.
Well, I mean, technically, you could say mining is governance.
Not really, because if it were, then Bitcoin Cash wouldn't be a thing. Because the majority of miners were like behind Bitcoin Cash for a bunch of time, because it was Bitmain trying to take over Bitcoin, right? But it just didn't work out because only the miners were for it, so to speak. At least in my eyes. I mean, that kind of shows that.
Well, mining and running a node is governance.
Yeah. So yeah, there you go. Right. And
Sorry, I misspoke at first.
yeah, I mean, like Bitcoin is like kind of immutable in its current form. It's just really hard to do, like to change anything on it, right? So, I mean, that is governance in of its own, right? Because people are saying that it is good as is, right? And that's kind of governing it. Like, let's just keep going that way because we've been going that way for 10 years, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Do you guys follow like who the Bitcoin people are? Like the coders or whatever, like the people that would
Or like the developers.
yeah.
I
the
literally
developers.
thought you were just about to say, you know who the Bitcoin mafia is. What?
No, I don't keep up with that too
Okay, you just let it
Yeah,
happen.
I do. I try to keep up with what Bitcoin's doing because I think
I keep
it's-
up with a couple of the core developers, not too many of
I
them, but
think
a
it's
handful.
like the most important thing in crypto. So not keeping on with it is irresponsible. And same goes for Ethereum, right? You want to like try to stay on top of what's happening with both of them. But with Ethereum,
Yeah.
it's just too much.
Yeah.
It's not. So that just makes me generally bullish on Ethereum. That I just cannot keep up with it.
Yeah, like you said, there's just way too much. So, like, I follow, like I said, a handful of Bitcoin core developers, and that's about it because there's just too much. So I
I've
do
been
what I
hearing-
can though.
I've been hearing a lot about people trying to say like, oh, you're going to be able to put like NFTs on Bitcoin. What do you think about that?
I think Ethereum is like just better for it already. So I don't know what. I don't understand. I guess why you would do that.
Right.
But maybe
It's
there's a
mostly
reason.
like maximalists that are like,
Yeah.
you don't need Ethereum. We're going to be able to put it on Bitcoin.
Honestly, I don't give a shit.
Yeah. Bitcoin's so
just-
slow
that-
too. It's like I just feel like NFTs and shit.
That's a cute experiment, right? You can do it for sure.
Yeah.
It's doable. It's just gonna be harder, but at the same time, that's not what Bitcoin is about.
Yeah.
Bitcoin is about being this perfect hybrid of money, commodity, and a security. So far, it's only been a money and a commodity, right? Like it's being mined like a commodity of sorts, and it's being transacted with and people save money using it. So it's kind of like money. Um, but there's been no yield or no profit generating mechanisms on Bitcoin. But that's changing because you can now lend out Bitcoin and earn interest on it.
Mm-hmm.
So it is literally being securitized um, over time. So it's becoming this blend of all of these three asset classes, unlike anything else in the world, right? So like long term, I think that's where we are headed. Like you're gonna see Sailor and MicroStrategy lending out their Bitcoin for, I don't know, 5% per year, 10 years from now, and the company will just live off of that, and
Yeah.
that's how they're gonna make the headlines 10 years from now. Um, so that's where Bitcoin is headed, right? And that's like the juggernaut just moving in that direction. You cannot stop it. You can just join the ride. And Ethereum is like very different in this sense. So NFTs are perfect on anything that's not Bitcoin, right? Why would you force NFTs on Bitcoin? It's just not viable. It's not plausible. Um, there's no product market fit to say it in different words.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's my view on
Yeah, I
NFTs
agree
and
with
Bitcoin.
that. I mean, it's like we had Fitch and Coin Artist talking about NFTs, and like going to, like, for example, just like something like going to concerts and having an NFT, you can get into the concert, right? But if it's on Bitcoin, you're gonna have to stand outside and wait with security for 20 minutes to get the thing
Not
confirmed before
necessarily,
you can
because
go in there.
no. If it's on Lightning, like if you
Oh, true.
can
Yeah, I
merge
didn't
it
think
with
about that.
Lightning, then it could be instant. But that's just another level of complexity that's very hard to do on Bitcoin,
Yeah.
right?
I got a few coins in the troll box we could look at.
Excellent.
Voyager BQX.
Didn't we call Voyager a scam like a week or two ago?
I think we do
Maybe.
that a lot, so it kind of all runs together,
I mean,
No, but like if you go back, I think I actually warned people, outright warned people, and called it a financial fucking advice that they should avoid Voyager because it's a fucking scam. So
But is it a
yes,
good scam? That's
I remember it. I remember going that far actually. So yeah, there
I
you go.
mean, to be honest though, you know that could apply to half of crypto at one point or another. So I mean,
I don't care that it's going up, dude, but this
yeah,
is
yeah, that's
you
insane.
are
What the
gonna
hell
get
is that?
burned if
What?
you
That's
yeah.
not. Yeah, that's
what? It
gonna
started
end
at one
poorly.
cent, and now it's
Yeah,
at $6.
yeah.
It's I don't even know what it's rebranded from. I can't
Isn't
remember.
it related to the exchange or no?
I
Is
I
don't
it?
There's like
know.
an
I don't know, Billa.
Invest Voyager exchange or something that people have been using, but it might not be. Maybe the troll box can
Let's
tell
look at
us.
Troll Box. Maybe they know. Nope, they're still talking about NFTs. It was Ethos. Somebody said,
It was
Rob.
Ethos.
Is this it? It earn up to
Oh,
10%. Yeah.
that's what I thought, but
Do they have their own coin?
I don't know.
It was Ethos.
Before that, it was Bitcoin.
Wow. Oh, so it's one of those where they just rebrand every
Yes, they
year.
just pump with the rebrand, dude. So like the old bag holders forget about it and shit, and they probably even swap the supply so they can't even make money on it. The good stuff. I don't know
So, in
what this
other words,
is. Yeah, but yeah, this is just avoid it. This is like Blueberry and all this other garbage.
oh,
Yeah.
I remember Bullberry.
So yeah, that one got rebranded and kind of scam pumped and then died. So yeah, I mean, uh, secondly,
Yes.
it's up. How much is this?
40 times.
4,000%, 40 times since the start of the year.
That's great.
Do you? Yeah. Good job. Good
if
job.
that
But it hasn't
if
hit
I
all-time
had it,
highs yet, though, Ambroid. So there's a chance it could go higher.
no. If
Could you imagine,
well, if I had any, I would be selling
dude?
some about
Wait,
right
hold on.
now.
It went from $12 in 2018 to lower than 2 cents in 2020. Like that is a big drawdown, dude. That is very large.
That is
But you're breaking even now.
99.99%.
It's
That is
outstanding.
the
It's
epitome
growing.
of shit. That is the epitome of a shitcoin.
I love that.
Yeah, I mean, so yeah, just stay away from this, please. Especially at this point, like you're just begging to get dumped on.
Okay, the other one is QRL.
Is that still alive?
Quantum resistance ledger. I think it is, dude.
That's one of those Bittrex coins as well.
Yes. Let's be amazed. Oh, it's still
I'm
ticking.
actually holding some of this for my friend on my Bittrex account, and I
Oh.
just look at it and I'm sad every time I look at it.
Why?
Um,
Don't be sad.
I don't know. It seems kind of dead, dude. It's just been sideways. I mean, yeah, this is technically 10x, but what is this? You know, it's I don't know. I don't think I have anything productive to say about this chart. It just look how illiquid it is. I mean, holy shit.
I was gonna look and see what exchanges it's on.
I think the main exchange is Bittrex, and that's
Bittrex
telling everything.
or Coin Tiger.
Yeah, so Bittrex is the main exchange, and that says everything you need to know.
Coin Tiger.
Coin Tiger.
But CoinMarketCap has low confidence in Coin Tiger. How do you feel about Coin Tiger today?
Good.
Okay, dude. Yeah, someone says that it feels kind of risky buying coins that only exist on one exchange. Probably. But I mean, I guess
Probably not right now.
yeah, I guess not because if it's on Uniswap, it's not that risky, right?
Market.
Yeah.
Yeah, when they start delisting these dead projects and you've been bag holding them and they just go another 50% down in a single day and you have nowhere to sell them. But in
Yeah.
a bull market, it's probably not that dangerous. It is inconvenient for sure.
Yeah.
And you have to ask yourself what the exchange is. And if it's Bittrex, then yeah, you are in for world of pain.
Someone asked you, Ambroid, specifically, speaking of Russians, what do you think about waves?
I like Sasha. He's got a hustle. He's got like this classic Russian hustle, dude.
So there's at least you like some Russians, right?
I mean, yeah, but
yeah, but
I mean, look at him. Like he is just pumping the fuck out of his own token like unabashedly, and nobody can do anything to him because he's in Russia, right? So, yeah, as long as he sucks Putin's dick, he's fine.
God, dude, come on, man.
I'm 100% serious, dude. Russia is. I know.
This episode's gonna get banned.
No, I know Russians who just ran away from Russia because they just refused to participate on the regime there, and they are happy, dude. They are happy that they are gone. So, yeah, Russia is a mess.
Bella is also the lawyer for Shitcoin Talk, so any outrage over this episode can be directed to our lawyer.
Yeah.
No comment.
No comment from our lawyer.
Oh, I think that means we're not supposed to make any comments. Oh, damn, I think we screwed up, guys.
No, but I do like waves here, actually.
I do too.
But...
I like waves.
So I'm pretty sure I'm not really like following them, but I'm pretty sure that they are doing their own DeFi shit, and you can. No, wait. There's this like you can earn like 100% USD when you stake waves or something. Isn't that right? So, and people are like asking, where does this money come from? Like, is this coming from thin air? And I've no idea, honestly. But it's probably some Russian magic. So
Dude, maybe all those waves tokens that have accumulated over the last few years are gonna be
oh,
worth something.
probably not. It's gonna be the new ones that are
Build
created.
the
And,
wall token and Hillary in prison token.
Oh,
I mean, Wavedex is so hilarious.
Dude, it's so bad, but so
Like,
good.
if you're very bored, you can just scroll through tokens forever on it. Like, there's so many thousands of them.
oh, Waves is the one where you can make your own token, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, very cheaply. It costs
Yes.
1 waves, I think.
Well,
So,
I guess it's not that cheap anymore, but
well, it's still like $13. It's much cheaper than a single transaction on Uniswap. So,
yes, that is true.
yeah. I don't know. Like Waves is one of those projects that they've just been grinding for the past years. But you would have been better off holding other stuff. But it looks very similar to Decred in a way. Like it's like attacking this previous all-time high. And a lot of crypto, like a lot of these old surviving tokens are around this area, right?
Yeah.
So we have to, I guess, think about where we are headed, and from the sense that, do you want to hold on to your Bitcoin when it's going up like steadily and slowly, or do you want to gamble your portfolio on something that's attacking its all-time high from 2018 now? So yeah, I think it's a very hard decision, and it's individual to every single coin that we could potentially talk about.
Yeah.
And I think you have to find very good reasons to move money away from Bitcoin.
Yeah. That's this these coins like Waves, what another one? Like the ICOs back then, like Lisk. Lisk would be another one that's
Lisk's a bit older, but yeah.
I'm trying to remember what else was.
Oh Jesus! Thanks, decentralized.
Oh, yo, thank you, dude. This is for the KGB and CCP Defense Fund for
Oh, you might as well just have sent that like directly to me.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
I was about to say. So that
I think
just
we got
goes
another
to
one.
Bella,
I
then.
didn't get a chance to read. Oh yeah, Shooter McGavin said YouTube CCP overlords are gonna shut this stream down. Please don't, dude.
I hope
We're making
so.
national enemies, dude. International enemies. This is not good.
Shitcoin talk is so hot that it's banned.
I just checked the YouTube. In the description, there's Bitcoin. There's Ethereum tip jar, but there's no Bitcoin tip jar.
Oh, I had to I deleted some stuff. I don't think I deleted it and I didn't put it. I'll put it in after.
Thanks to our guests, and there's no one.
I have to, dude, because okay, when I edit the descriptions before the show, the next show it just puts the same ones as last time. So like I just
know,
like it's
I
annoying.
know.
I'm going back. I gotta go back and fix all that shit basically. Yes, we have no guests. No, don't. Yes, that's it.
In true shitcoin fashion,
List doesn't
only
look
half
as
the
good
description is done.
as Waves.
Yeah, it doesn't, does it?
No.
So, yeah.
It's a shame.
Is it still alive?
Oh yeah.
Like, I mean, this is like, again, like we talked about like a week or two ago. Like, even this shit is pumping, and nobody even knows if it's alive.
Yeah. Oh, what about
Like,
Arc?
it's that stage
Arc
of
was
pumping.
it? Someone mentioned Arc in the chat.
Arc, oh god, we are just going through these old ass platforms that.
Yeah, it
they're
looks
just-
exactly the same. Yeah. Okay. What about Komodo?
Oh god.
Oh god. Yeah, they all look the
Same.
same, dude.
Exactly the same.
Okay,
It's that
there.
kind of state market where um, these old coins are just waking up, and
Dinosaur
that's a
coins.
warning finger to me, dude.
Yeah. Do you think they're
Are
gonna?
there any coins that haven't pumped yet? Like new ones, I guess.
BSV hasn't pumped.
BSV has not pumped.
Yeah.
That's kind of new. Not really.
New coins that haven't pumped. I mean, yeah, not really. They either pump right out of the gate or they are scams and you avoid them.
Someone mentioned BNT,
BNT, okay.
Bank Core.
I mean, they are actually doing stuff though.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, looks similar to waves, right? Where you're just attacking this previous all-time high zone.
Yep.
Um, yeah, so I guess it is similar in terms of both the market cycle and how they've stayed alive throughout the bear and they're still doing things.
Yeah.
But you have this giant resistance of all these 2017, 2018 bag holders to get through.
Yeah. Exactly.
Um, so that's like the baggage that's holding the coin down. Whereas you've got this shit that's held down by no previous baggage and it's
Giving away
free to
free
go
money, getting people
5x.
interested, getting more community members and shit, dude. I
So,
mean,
so yeah, that's what's holding these down. But it's in an uptrend. It's hitting the last major resistance, but it's not like the ICO investors are breaking even anytime soon in terms of BTC.
yeah. That's the a rough one is investing in ICOs with their Bitcoin a while back. I mean, like even never mind. I don't want to talk about
How much did they raise? Like 300 million, 350
it.
in BTC,
I wouldn't be surprised.
and it just never, like, it just never broke even for the ICO investors. It just,
$153 million.
thank you. So it just, where it opened at 80% from ICO and just kept going down
Yeah.
from there.
Yeah, your returns since ICO. Here we go. 1.44 times in USD, 0.28 times in Ethereum, and 0.08 times in Bitcoin.
Yeah, there you go. So that's why I'm saying it's dangerous to part with your Bitcoin,
Yeah.
especially now.
Even
Especially
like
now.
I bought the fucking Filecoin ICO and I still haven't even got all my coins yet, dude. And I like it's just like it's brutal, dude, because of the vesting period or whatever. It gives you to you gradually
Oh,
over six
okay.
months, right? So it's like, dude, I don't know what the price of Bitcoin was, probably like $3,000 or $4,000 back then. So like I don't know, I might be up in
Mhm.
USD, but there ain't no fucking way in hell I'm ever getting all that Bitcoin back, you know?
Yeah.
But you're getting interest on Filecoin, right? By
Um,
staking it or something. Or they give you Filecoin?
Yeah, it's because they have a vesting period, so it's like you
Hmm.
just gradually get your allotment over either like because you could choose well you got like 6 months or a year or 2 years or whatever, and if you did a longer vesting period, then you get a little bit more coins, you get a bonus or something. But yeah, so I'm just kind of waiting to get my whole bag. So interesting.
I guess you can like loan it out on Gemini for like a percentage.
Yeah,
I thought it was like it's like 7.4% APY.
yeah. That's pretty good. I would have to look at that. I don't know if you have to lock it up or something like that. But I mean, all that like Amber was saying earlier, like on like BlockFi with Bitcoin and shit. I mean, you can get like 7 or 8% on your Bitcoin yearly. You know, so I mean, it's like there's a lot of that shit going on. It's pretty.
I'm still waiting for Hodl Hodl. Like they've got the lending platform,
Yeah, I was looking at that the other day.
and you can only lend out USD based stablecoins
Yeah,
right now.
USDT and stuff like that.
Yeah, but in March, you are going to be able to lend uh, wrapped Bitcoin,
Whoa.
and the collateral is still going to be Bitcoin, of course, like regular Bitcoin. So
Yeah.
that's pretty exciting because you can um, lend out Bitcoin, which is covered by Bitcoin, and earn interest in Bitcoin
Yeah. So that's cool.
without KYC globally. So, uh,
How do they get away with it?
because they are non-custodial, because they don't hold any customers' money. So, legally, they are not responsible for what's happening on their exchange, so to speak.
Wow. That must be
So yeah,
nice.
they can even operate uh, lending in the US without KYC like this.
Epic.
We'll see if it catches up to them. I
Um,
don't know.
it could. However, they are open source, so if the US regulator just closes down Hodl Hodl,
Hodl Hodl 2.
someone else can just spin up
Soda
another
Pop.
version.
Soda Pop
Yeah.
Exchange.
So yeah, it can just keep popping up.
Ham
Forever.
sandwich swap.
And it's going to be really hard to prosecute something that's incorporated on some kind of anonymous island in the Caribbean. I don't know. It's going to be a tough nut to crack if they want to go after this kind of exchange.
Yeah.
But until then, like I think it's going to be a really solid option to lend out Bitcoin if you have it in the wrapped Bitcoin form, of course. But I'm pretty excited about that because it's going to be without KYC. So
Yeah.
Just as a disclaimer, I don't endorse any of this, but I am interested in hearing about it.
Yeah, we're not
I
endorsed
I
either.
just listen. I just
Yeah.
listen. I don't do anything.
I'm just learning.
Yeah, we're just learning together, dude. It's great.
But yeah, I'm like I guess I just cannot overstate this. I'm really excited about where Bitcoin's headed as
Yeah.
a security. Yeah, because nobody really talks about this, but Bitcoin is becoming a security,
Yeah.
and it's gonna be so decentralized, and it's gonna like get regulated in different ways that I don't think they are gonna be able to go back and really change the precedents and just call it like it's become a security now and start putting different brackets on it or however I
Yeah.
call it. So it's gonna be like this security that's not really regulated as a security but more like a commodity or a money. So it's very interesting. I'm curious like what the next few years are gonna bring.
Hell yeah, man. It's gonna be epic, dude. And because like all the big guys are buying it, so it's gonna be scarce as fuck too. I mean, yeah, it'll be interesting the next few years for sure.
So like more than ever, it's really important to be careful about your Bitcoin holdings. I think.
Yeah. That's for sure.
Because Sailor's just gonna buy the otherwise,
Yeah, he's still buying them, man. He just every day he's just logging in and buying them.
No, like for them, it's such an easy way. I mean, they've become they've found a legal way to become a Bitcoin ETF because they can just raise these private notes from investors,
Yeah.
and they're just gonna put it in Bitcoin directly, So
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
they are now MicroStrategy's now like a Bitcoin ETF, like of sorts.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Pretty much. In essence. I mean,
In essence,
yeah.
sure.
Yeah,
So
how it
and-
functions, sure.
Yeah, they're just gonna keep doing it. So I don't know.
Sailor is a bull.
Oh
Yeah.
god.
Yeah.
God.
38,250 Bitcoin for the bull of bulls. Dude, is she still on Twitter? What was her name?
I don't know. I muted her. She seems really nice though.
What was her name? Can someone help me?
Fee.
I saw
She
a
messaged me,
theory
She
that
messaged
she
you?
was like
Oh,
a hostage or something.
Like when I called it terrible,
Refit
she
dance.
messaged me
Yes.
asking whether I would retweet it. She just
Yo,
doesn't give a shit.
Refit dance. If you ever
Uh,
see this, I totally support you, dude. Great job on
it's
the songs, man, and the dances.
Brifid dance.
Yeah, Refit dance, dude. Hell yeah,
Oh
man.
God.
Yes, dude.
Like I
Amazing.
said, I saw this theory that she was like some sort of hostage or something. It was pretty, I don't know,
Ah,
man. It was out there.
Yeah,
hell
there's
yeah,
like an older gentleman that helps her make her videos, I think, or something like that.
my
Older
man.
gentleman. Oh God. Why are
Refit
you
dance,
so
dude. Let's
correct all the
go,
time?
dude. Gets me so excited. I watched that video so many
Um,
times, dude. I couldn't stop.
I did not
I
watch
think it
that
was the lyrics.
video. I
The
made a
lyrics really
point.
got to me. I was really feeling what she was saying.
Yes, and when they put the cat overlay on it, when the cat's like dancing,
Yeah.
I think Icebergy did that. I was like
I'm
jamming
here
to it.
live. I'm not a cat.
38,250 Bitcoin for the bulls. Ooh. Okay, one last coin someone wanted us to look at. You ready for this one, Android? Litecoin Bitcoin chart.
Oh
Litecoin Bitcoin chart.
my
Okay.
God. It's either going to be great or horrible.
It's gonna be horrible. I'm calling it now.
You're gonna be so surprised.
I don't have one saved. That's
Oh, you had I
impressive.
saw block on there. You looking at block, dude?
Dude, I'm looking at block.
Not so fast, got to you, huh?
Oh,
Yeah, so I mean, block. It's below the prices where I bought it in 2017.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, just perpetual downtrend.
Wow, look at this chart.
It's unfortunate.
Hold on, dude. You know, the last time I called something perpetual downtrend, it's when stuff like Namecoin and Purecoin started pumping.
Yeah.
It like I remember this. Like I called something a perpetual downtrend.
Oh yeah, dude. When it yeah, that was
I
a
called
wicked. That was
Litecoin a
wicked,
perpetual
bro.
downtrend. And that's when shit went crazy. That was like March.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if
Oh,
we
you're
look
gonna
at this,
disappoint a lot of
right,
people right now.
we look at this. This was just how long was this? 600 days minus 90%.
600
Right.
day downtrend. And then it only
from the
took fucking
previous
35 seconds for it to go up like 5 times.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah,
thousand days minus 80%.
So now is the time.
Is it?
Yeah, of course, dude.
Like obviously it's like twice as long as the last
Okay.
time. So
Okay, if you say ADA was a shy little neighbor girl going up slowly, what do you call
Oh
Litecoin?
my God.
What do you call Litecoin?
oh god.
Dirty old head.
I mean, like from Bitcoin standpoint, like this is like nearing the maximum opportunity, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, I just cannot bring myself to approve of buying Litecoin. But yeah, like it's maximum opportunity time. You know, it's like this is historically the bottom against Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So, if it's silver to gold, then it should go back to like this area again. Yeah.
Dude, okay, if Bitcoin is gold and
Sil-
Litecoin is
silver
silver,
and gold do have this kind of relation where they just keep oscillating around each other in terms of value.
yeah.
And yeah, if Litecoin is supposed to be the silver in this relationship, then sure. But yeah,
If Litecoin is silver and Bitcoin is gold, what is Ethereum then? Is that like a sheet of acid or like what?
I don't think you should be comparing them.
No, probably not.
But yeah, like holy fuck, was this in a single day? So that was 80% in a single day.
Yep.
Yeah, like that's why I hate Litecoin actually. Like no, like I genuinely just don't trade Litecoin because of these moves. Because They are really hard to predict, if at all. There is no discernible trend. It just rips face.
Yeah.
Um, and it's always out of nowhere. Like there's no technical signal for why this should be the bottom, right? So yeah, I just kind of stay away from Litecoin. So yeah, I'm probably not the chartist you want to ask about Litecoin in general.
I love Litecoin. I think that chart is beautiful, and Litecoin is beautiful.
Like,
You
has
gave some people
Charlie
hope.
bought back?
Yeah.
Has Charlie bought back? That's the question. Because he sold the fucking dope.
Yeah.
So he's gonna buy the fucking bottom.
Of course. That's easy. All right. Well, that's an hour. We did it. We did an hour today.
Oh, wait.
Yes.
Do you
Oh
guys
yeah, you
want
gotta
me
do
to
your.
open my Top Shot?
Yes. Open your top shot, dude.
Okay.
You gotta show your screen. You gotta show your screen.
Just
so
don't
you can
reveal
see.
anything you don't want everyone in the world to see.
Yeah. So like already log in and everything. Just get it ready to
Okay.
share.
So let me close.
We're gonna open
Yeah.
some Pokemon cards,
Close,
except
close,
they're NBA
close all
cards.
your adult entertainment tabs and whatnot.
Top shot.
I got a Cool Cats pack. What's up? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah, I
god,
can
let's
see it.
go.
Open.
Oh, fuck, let me move this. Okay.
Here goes. Oh, she just went. She just no intro, no nothing. Just did it. All right.
What is this?
Whoa.
I have no idea what this is.
Michael Jordan.
A Top Shot pack. Oh no! What happened?
Oh, click to
Okay,
reveal.
there it is. Reveal it.
Jump
shot.
Oh,
Jordan
Hayward,
Hayward.
bro.
Oh, here he goes.
Oh,
Here he goes.
sick,
swish.
dude. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, a dunk. Oh shit. John Wall.
John Wall dunk.
Let's see
What
it.
is this? Why are you so excited?
Holy shit, dude. Boom, baby. Yeah, let's go. Android's like, what the fuck, dude? Android, did you see that sick dunk?
Be happy for
what is
her,
this?
Android.
Otto
damn it.
Porter
Otto
Jr.
Porter Jr.
Yep.
I'm just
Oh,
Jump
wait.
shot.
Oh,
I just don't know what I'm happy about here.
jump shot,
I don't
baby.
know, man. We're
Hell
just happy
yeah.
we're just happy because these things are apparently selling for a
Dude,
lot
Bella,
of money.
how are you
I don't
feeling
know.
right now? You're feeling pretty good about this, huh? You look like you're super happy. Oh,
Uh-oh.
dude, how do you say
Uh-oh.
that? Jamie Chal Green with a dunk. Oh, dude.
Is that a legendary or something?
I don't know.
It's yellow.
I think it's because the Denver Nuggets are yellow.
Oh, okay.
Bella, explain this to me, please. These guys are not helping.
We don't know.
One more reveal. Block. Jamie Chal Green. Oh, it's a dunk again. Wait, what? It's the same
Dunk.
one.
Did she get a double?
The triple double.
The double triple?
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, Bella, what is this? Can you explain this?
No. Uh-oh. Whatever that is. All right. Yeah.
She's
Woohoo.
not talking.
Yeah, I know.
Hello?
She just said screw
Bella,
us.
what's going on? What was that?
Like,
Hello?
you just ignored
Can you hear us?
that entire time.
Oh, you know what? I couldn't hear you at all. They were playing like epic music. So I was like jamming to the epic
Wow.
music.
Dude, what was that?
We were talking the entire time, asking you all sorts
Yeah.
of questions, and you
Oh
just
my god, I'm
ignored
so
the
sorry.
shit out of us.
Bella, what was that exactly? Can you explain it a little
Yeah,
bit?
I just kept screaming, what is this, Bella?
Yeah,
Explain.
we were like, what
Oh
is
my
that? Is that
God,
one
I'm
red?
so
What does the
sorry.
yellow
It's okay.
mean? Is that one legendary? What's going on?
Dude, I have no idea. It's an NFT and people are trading it for a lot of money right now. It's basically baseball cards.
Hey Bella, you
the
want to send me
blockchain.
one? You want to send me one?
I will send you a gift.
Don't send him anything, dude.
Send me nothing. I
Yeah.
deserve nothing.
I I don't know. What was there a question you guys were asking me that
Oh, Ambroid
sorry,
just
I
Like,
didn't
didn't hear
know.
what,
We
anything.
were screaming and
what,
really happy for you, but Ambroid didn't know why we were
Oh,
so happy for you.
okay.
I mean, I
Um,
know that those things are trading for a lot of money and that they're NFTs, but that's basically all that I know. I don't know anything
that's
beyond that.
right. That's kind of all I know right now. It's NBA, like NBA cards, basically how they used to trade
Genuine NBA
baseball cards
cards.
and NBA.
Yeah,
Yeah, on the
those are
blockchain, and they're
actually
trading for a
licensed.
lot.
Yeah, Ambroid.
Right.
NBA cards on the blockchain. That's why we're excited.
Okay. Okay. Uh, all you had to say was that.
Yeah.
I'm not confused anymore.
I mean, didn't
Suddenly,
you see the
it's worth
videos,
ten
Ambroid? Didn't you
thousand
see that
dollars a
sick
piece.
dunk?
Sorry, what?
Didn't you see that sick dunk, Ambroid? Aren't you excited about that sick
No,
dunk
I'm
we saw?
telling you, I get it. Like completely get it. Like now that I know it's an NFT, it's suddenly worth a lot of money.
Yeah, and
It's how it
it's funny
works.
because it's on the blockchain, and I have friends that are interested in it that don't care about crypto.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
they don't even need to know that it's on the blockchain. They don't
Yeah.
need to know about that.
Yeah.
They just need to know that it's like basketball. It's fun. It's on, you can trade them. They're gonna make it so that you can keep the packs closed and transfer them and
Yeah.
sell
Hmm.
them with closed packs in the future. So that's kind of cool. And yeah, um, there's a lot of opportunity. We're early.
Where did they
Yeah.
come from? Where is it on? Did you say Dapper Labs?
Yeah, I guess it's on the Dapper Labs like chain, maybe.
Whoa,
Hmm.
And
Dapper
you can buy
Labs,
and
dude.
trade with it, but you can buy it with USD. That's what I did.
Nice.
So I don't buy their coin or whatever if they have one.
Hell yeah. Great.
Hmm.
Well, thanks for sharing,
Yeah.
dude. That was awesome.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. So you guys didn't get to hear any of the music? It was so
No,
epic.
No, we didn't hear any of the music. It
Oh,
was just you ignoring us.
it was just me and SoCal
sorry.
screaming. We were so
Yeah,
happy about it.
it was me and Dumb like hyping it up and everything, and just
Yeah.
Android confused as hell.
That's like how it is with a lot of stuff on this show. Someone's confused
Yep.
and other people are hyping the shit out of it, dude. Great.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah,
Well,
normally.
Ambroid, you got any closing statements for the viewers at home?
Yeah. So speaking of NFTs, I'm curious about the Beeple Christie's auction. Like, how high is gonna some fucking Ethereum nerd gonna pump that shit? You know, like, uh, it's gonna be way more expensive than everyone thinks.
Yeah.
I believe so. Yeah.
Well, the crypto punks are already going for like $1 million,
Yeah. So
right?
there you go.
That's amazing,
So
dude.
is it?
Yeah, dude, it's like a 64 by 64 pixel art picture of a dude with a hat on. Like, I don't understand what the hell it is, man. It's crazy.
They just
Yeah.
decided they liked that, and you know,
And they just had a
they're gonna
Yeah.
fucking
stay in
I
it.
thousand
don't know.
Ethereum sitting there, just wanted to go buy it, I guess, right?
Yeah, I mean, like in general, I just don't give a damn about collectibles. So,
Yeah.
um, I'm just not the target audience for this kind of product. Uh, but yeah, that's like the one thing where I'm just a curious observer, and
Yeah.
like cyclically, it might coincide with a major local top, and NFT boom bust cycle. You know, because like the first boom were CryptoKitties, and then it got real quiet for a very long time, and now we've got like the second boom with all of these different NFTs popping up. Um, so what's gonna be the top, right? It's like in CryptoKitties case, it was the congestion coupled with the inherent inflation of the tokens. And like over here, I just don't see anything else even close to this kind of magnitude of this auction, right? So that might be the blow off um, for this NFT boom. We'll see. I might be wrong. It might just fuel it for a longer period of time, but yeah, that's like the one thing that I'm kind of staying on the sidelines and just observing it, and I'm not really unhappy about not participating because I would just be shredded because I've no idea what's valuable and what's not. You know?
Yeah.
I also think like it's kind of like physical art. If you don't actually like the art piece, like if I don't actually like an art piece, I wouldn't buy it, you know? So if you do like something and you can find value in it, then buy it. And if not, then like stay out. If you're
Yeah,
trying to make money, you could lose it all, you know, if you're like it's like gambling.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
yeah. I guess like NFTs are like the one thing where um, I wouldn't dare going there because um, I just can't appreciate it too much. So
Yeah, me too.
yeah, I couldn't value it most likely. Yeah,
You know what they say? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
beauty is in the eye of the token holder.
Yeah, exactly. There we go, dude. That was
I
it.
like that. I
That's
like that.
exactly what we needed, dude. SoCal,
Hey, hey, hey.
what are you doing? I mean, do you have anything to say for people right now?
Yeah, I'm actually really excited about the NFT space. In particular, NDR's been doing well, and they have another upcoming project too, where it's called Drops, and it's going to be an NFT platform like marketplace. It's super interesting what they're working on, so definitely keeping eyes on that. Uh, then obviously there's Neon District moving along
However,
in
delayed.
development. Huh? I've played it. You haven't?
It's not out on Steam, so like I've played like the alpha
On the
version because Game
Yeah,
Artist sent it to me. Um, but that was like way work in progress. I'm just waiting for the final release, and
dude,
that's
they
been
got.
postponed for over a year now.
But no, she said on the episode that we had that since they changed, they're not doing Steam, huh? Didn't she? Maybe
I
I.
haven't actually watched that episode because I just don't give a damn about NFTs in general. So
But,
I just wanted to wait for the gameplay actually.
anyway, it's
Because
available. Like
I'm interested in the game itself and not
they
the
they
aspects.
have a web portal, dude. They have a web portal. It's like you
Why
connect your
is it not on
MetaMask wallet.
Steam?
You
Video games
connect.
are on
They dropped
Steam,
Steam,
dude.
says DeBoss. DeBoss says they dropped Steam.
Yeah, they drop Steam.
Okay.
You connect your MetaMask to it, bud, and you play it through your web
Okay,
browser.
so they just made it less accessible to plebs, I guess. So can you play it without MetaMask?
There's other wallets that are supported, yeah, but you got to play it with
No, like without a crypto wallet.
No, you cannot.
Okay, so yeah, that's a major problem in my eyes. Like they wanted to make it accessible to people without any crypto, and they just kind of pivoted away from that. I guess for no why, like I would have to ask her that, but uh, that's what I was excited about, like the aspect that it's a regular video game, actual good video game, and you don't have to give a damn about the fact that any kind of crypto is involved. You don't have to trade the items if you don't want to. Um, but yeah, that's what I like this merge of the worlds, and now it's just back in the crypto space, like fully immersed in it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also waiting for Infinite Fleet as well. I'm tracking that. I don't know if you've seen that, Ambroid.
No, I haven't. Send it to me in a DM or something, please.
Yeah, I'll show it to you. It actually looks really good. But anyway, yeah. So that's basically what I've been doing is just watching the NFT space and kind of getting more into that realm as it gets bigger and more important. But yeah, so that's basically what I've been up to the past week.
Hell yeah. I bought some Street Fighter cards on wax. Um Chun-Li has really nice thighs. I'm really excited about those. She's hot. Actually, there's a lot of Street Fighter characters that are hot.
Jesus,
Um
Jesus.
so that's
That's
cool.
pretty true, yeah.
it's pretty interesting how like you can combine different cards and then they burn the actual cards that you've combined to make other cards, so that the supply is kind of deflationary, which is kind of cool. Kind of my first dive into NFTs, so we'll see how it goes. Cute trade coins, I'm still paying attention to. I think they're moving in the right direction, so that's cool. And fuck, that's about that. That's it. That's all, folks. That's all I
Thanks for
got.
watching, everybody.
Yeah. Do you guys have any final words?
Oh, I just want to say thank you, Dumb, SoCal, Ambroid. You guys have actually been so nice to me ever since I started. I actually had Bitcoin Bella and Two Hot Dudes, and you guys would come on and like answer all
Yes,
the
dude.
questions I've had.
I remember that shit, dude. Yes. Hell yeah.
It was
Also,
a YouTube stream, yeah.
Yeah.
And it was really for me to learn and for other people that were like noobs like me to learn and just have fun. And you guys made it so much fun, and I really appreciate you.
of course, man. Yellow wants to know what your favorite cheese is before we go.
Who does?
Yellow.
Yellow, oh, ICO offender. My favorite cheese is probably Gouda.
Gouda.
Gouda, but I'll eat all of them.
Gouda
Never say no to
choice.
cheese. Yeah.
All right, that's it.
No, everyone's favorite cheese, dude. Come on, man.
Okay, Ambroid, what's your favorite cheese?
Paranica.
What? I'm American, dude.
No, there's no American cheese.
No, I know, but what did you say? I don't even know what the fuck you said.
Paranica. I said paranica, dude.
Is it like a hard cheese or a soft cheese?
It's a hard cheese, and you roll it, and you just don't have that kind of cheese anywhere else. So
Hey, you gotta send me a link. for it
Paranita.
or something. Yeah.
All right, SoCal, what's your favorite cheese?
I'm just gonna have to say like anything that's spicy. So any sort of like ghost pepper cheese or pepper jack or anything like that.
Wow. I like Swiss. I don't know why there's holes in it, but I really want to find out. But don't tell me.
Can I say one last thing?
Yes.
I just want to say to everybody on crypto Twitter and like everybody in the troll box, thank you for being so nice to me and having so much fun. During the bear market, we just like made memes and just kind of grinded through, and it was really painful, but it was also fun. And so now we're kind of just enjoying like what's happening.
Yeah.
And yeah, so
You're so wholesome.
I love it. It's just so I love everyone, and I'm having so much fun.
Yeah. It's so wholesome,
I'm
like
grateful.
Swiss cheese. Shut the fuck up, Amber. I'm out of here, dude. I'm done. I'm turning off this stream. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Fucking asshole.